heading out to get some food real quick. Took the day off of work tomorrow. No real reason. I'm just kind of just to kind of have a day just to focus on my wife and my daughter and me. My wife is off for the next 3 days as well, so that'll give us a good solid 3 days just to hang out, be together, that sort of thing. So I just wanted to talk to you guys real quick. I've been wanting to do more car vlogs, I guess you could say. I mean, really the only reason I'm not on the bike right now is because it's just hot, and it's just easier for me to throw on a t-shirt, a hat, some shorts, and just go. And plus, I've been really enjoying driving the car here lately, especially after we got the alignment done. And I think I would have uploaded a video of getting the alignment done at some point, or thrown it in somewhere here or there. I really don't know chronologically where this video is going to show up at, because I have got so many videos coming for you guys, like it's not even funny. And that's kind of why I wanted to film this particular video, is because I just wanted to say that for once I'm actually pretty proud of how consistent that I've been in getting videos out to you guys. But I had to take some time off, and I'll tell you guys why. So I've been uploading pretty consistently in the last few months, and it's been really hard. It's been really hard having a newborn and having a day job and things like that. Makes it very difficult to film, edit, and upload videos consistently, but I basically just don't sleep. That's what it boils down to, is that I just don't have any time to rest. But that's okay, you know. I'm passionate about the things that I do in life, and so I want to be able to upload videos to you guys, so that way I can get the content out and, you know, get some good information, some entertainment, you know, the works. I take a lot of pride in my knowledge. I really enjoy helping people, and I love answering questions. If someone has a problem and they come to me, I usually try and come up with a solution. And honestly, my wife damn near hates that about me, and I mean that in the nicest of ways. But sometimes, guys, if you're listening, pay attention to this part especially. If you get nothing else out of this video, sometimes women do not want a solution. Sometimes women just need an open mind, open ears, and a closed mouth. So take that to heart, please, because men by nature are problem solvers. Like, someone comes to us with a problem, we're like, okay, this is what you need to do, or this is what we need to try. That's not always the case with women. Sometimes they just want an open mind and an open heart. So yeah, as far as like you guys and YouTube and everything like that, whenever someone posts a comment, 9 times out of 10 I will answer the comment. The only comments that I don't really reply to these days are you know, thanks for the vid. You know, I'll like leave a little heart or a like or something like that. Sometimes I'll go in and be like, hey, you know, thanks for leaving a positive comment, I really appreciate it, something like that. But if it's like a question, if I don't know the answer, I will do research and find out what the answer is, and I will come back. That's just the kind of person I am. That's the type of careers that I've had in the past, where someone comes to me with a problem, I am the solution finder, and I enjoy that. So with taking this class and me doing some studying, that has taken some time out of me doing YouTube. Obviously, like, this is way more important than YouTube is for me right now. You know, I may not be saying that in a couple of years, but I do want to try my hardest to get this certification, and so that's taken time out of my day, my week, my month actually. And so I have paid for my test, and I can go and take it pretty much anytime within like a 12-month period. And so I know where I'm going to go take it. I've paid for it. I've just got to finish studying, get a clear picture in my mind, and know that I can pass it, because I really want to pass it on my first try. If I don't pass it on my first try, it's no big deal. I'm going to give myself one fail on this test, because a lot of people don't pass it on their first try. But the reason that I would like to pass it on my first try is that my company will pay for my passing test, if that makes sense. If I fail it, they're not going to pay for it, but they paid for the class, and they're going to pay for the test that I pass, if that makes sense. So that's where I've been, you know, for the last week or so. I know that I uploaded a video like yesterday, and I'm uploading a video right now currently while I'm going to get some food. But literally, I do all my editing at like midnight, and that's not a joke. That's not an exaggeration. My daughter eats, you know, every 3 to 4 hours, and that's the schedule that we have her on. We've kind of stretched her out a little bit to where she eats about every 4 hours, and every baby's different. You just got to figure out your groove. But, you know, between 8 p.m. and 12 a.m., that's kind of my window where I can play video games, relax, watch a movie, hang out with my wife, or edit videos. And so I've got to balance all that out, and I'm sure a lot of you guys understand that follow along with the channel closely. I know I have a lot of people, a lot of viewers of the channel that just come to a video just to get a quick answer, then, you know, they skid out of there. So I get that too. But for you few people that follow the channel super closely, and just kind of go along with this, you know, life journey of mine on this channel and my other channel, the Fralix Arms channel, which I need to make some more videos for that too. I really need to. It has not, that's been on like the bottom of the totem pole as far as my priorities are concerned right now. Like, my priorities are family, work, my own sanity, and then like all my hobbies and stuff like YouTube. But even like YouTube is like even lower than that, honestly, because other stuff comes above it, like my car. My car is definitely comes above YouTube. Sure, I film a lot of stuff with my car, but come hell or high water, my car is going to get worked on before I finish a YouTube video, if that makes sense. So like if I'm in a pinch, like I was in one of my previous videos where I was trying to fix my exhaust before the meetup, I'm going to not film if it means that I get my car fixed in order for me to be able to go to the meetup and get there on time and be able to enjoy my night. Stuff like that. And you guys, I'm sure you guys understand that too, that are in the car scene and everything like that. It's very difficult to be a YouTuber and be in a particular scene, so to speak. There is a finite amount of YouTubers out there, and there are so many different genres and niches, and I hate the word niche. I hate saying it. I hate using it because I feel like it's overused, but it's the best word for the scenario here, and that is that there are YouTubers like Lockpicking Lawyer. You guys probably have either never heard of him or know exactly who I'm talking about. There's no reason why his name should come out of my mouth on this channel, but I love watching his videos. I also like Chris Ramsey. He's a magician slash puzzle solver. I love puzzles, as you guys probably could figure out. Like I've got a very technical and analytical mind, and so I enjoy watching his stuff as well. So videos like that. There's so much more to YouTube, and I know that I don't even have to say this, but there's so much more to YouTube than motorcycles and guns and cars. But I do really enjoy the car community that is on YouTube. I love guys like David Patterson, and you guys, yeah, he's been on the channel before, so there's that. And yeah, so I haven't really gone off topic, but like I've kind of gone far beyond the whole point of this video, and that is that I'm trying to keep videos coming out. You guys are on the priority list, you're just not at the top of it. Probably never will be, but that's probably for the best. And you know, the car's doing good, CBR's doing good. You know, I haven't rode the CBR since the Dragon trip, which that may be really hard for you guys to wrap your minds around, but I have not touched that bike for so long. And yeah, I'm uploading some videos right now, and I've got plenty of content coming for you guys. I've even mentioned some videos in this video that I haven't even edited yet or uploaded. So yeah, but we'll get there. We will get there. So like I said, you guys, I'm going to grab some food. Gonna get something inside of me because I feel like I'm about to fall over, about to starve to death, it feels like. But I'm gonna get back home, get back to work, and you know, that's pretty much it for this video. I enjoy making videos like this, even though there's not a lot of meat to it. I do enjoy making videos like this of just driving the car, you know, just going for a little cruise and you know, just talking to you guys. I really do enjoy it. I mean, maybe because they're really easy to make, but that's kind of besides the point. I enjoy doing it because I feel like we're more on the level with each other at this point. So it's not just me like doing something with my hands and talking to the camera. I feel on a much more personal level. So anywho, you guys, I hope you guys have a great day. I love you guys. Thanks for checking out the video. Share it with your dog, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and have a great freaking day, man. I need to wash this thing. I feel like I don't drive it hardly at all, and whenever I do drive it, I need to like open up all the windows, make sure everything's like working. Rear windshield wiper. Make sure everything is still functioning properly. I need to get some more windshield washer fluid, it seems like. Yeah, I gotta get the AC in this thing fixed, boys. Real bad. I know I ended the video like 15 minutes ago since I started sitting in this line. But I always have like little snippets of like at the end of the video or something along those lines. And yeah, like I'm not going like full-blown race car on this car that, you know, as you guys probably know. I really don't know. I know I explained what I'm doing to the car in a previous video. If you want to see that, click the something up above if I remember. But I'm keeping power steering and AC in this car. I want this to be just a fun street car, just a stupid, fast, and fun street car that I can still drive to IA and stuff like that. I want to be able to drive it to the drag strip. So yeah, I need to get the AC recharged. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just it needs to be recharged. I think I may have overfilled it or underfilled it at some point. But one day it just quit working. I mean, it hasn't leaked or anything, because like it is blowing cool air. It's just not as good as it could be.